Welcome back to the video. So we're talking about market structure, how to identify good trade opportunities by only looking at the market. You don't need to put up indicators or those moving averages and all of that. You just need a clean chart. You just need the chart to be as clean as it can be to identify a nice trade opportunity. So trading is less complicating if we know the basic things, if you can be able to apply the basic things and have the right knowledge. So I took a trade on 251S basically. So I'll be showing you guys how I was able to take this trade using market structure, using pure price action and all of that. So before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please wait to smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post any videos. So my viewers, I really appreciate you guys. Let's keep doing what we do, guys. So let's get to it. So on 251S basically, I saw the market structure, I saw the market formation. So when I went to the 4-hour time frame, the first thing I saw was the market direction, which is the number one thing I always look out for whenever I want to look for a trade opportunity. So I identified the market direction, which we have seen. Market is pushing to the upside, and the next thing I do is identify our zone, which we have at this point. Only these two things I was giving the market direction. Only these two things I was showing you where the market will be headed to next. So we have seen that the market is on a level on the 4-hour time frame, on a support level, an important level, basically would say a key level. But we have seen the market bouncing off this zone, doing the same thing here. Like this zone has been expected in the past, and you can see that the market gave us this last buy up. Like the last buy up we saw was this one, which was a strong bullish push from this zone after we had this build up. Like we had the market giving us this push, then came to this point, gave us a build up, like the kind of the bulls we are accumulating their buying power. Then afterwards you can see the next phase of the buy, which we saw at this point. So after we got this next phase of the buy, the market got to this zone and stopped. Like the bullish move came to this point and reversed. Like then we started having a push to the downside. And why did the market reverse at that zone? We also have to identify, in as much as we identify our level of support or our key level on the downside, we also identify our level of resistance. We have seen that the market came to this zone and sold off, but we have seen this level has been expected in the past. Like the market, whenever the market gets to this zone, it gives us a sell-off. Like there's a sell-off in the market whenever the market gets to this point, and the same thing happened at this point, at this zone. Like a repetition of past market moves, because analysis is basically using what happened in the past in the market to predict what's about to happen in the future. So you can see that, okay, someone who saw this level and see whenever the market gets to this zone and be selling from this zone, we definitely make good profit, because they have used the past market movements or the past market zones to get your trade opportunity, and you have seen how the market sold off from this level. So next is the market came to this our zone, which we identified. So if you can be able to say that whenever the market gets to this point, be expecting a sell-off. You can also say that whenever the market gets to this zone, be expecting the market to buy from this level. And we have seen the zones, we have seen the market direction. The market was creating these lows. Like the market created a low at this point. The next that followed up was another low, but in this case was a higher low. So we have seen another low as well, which is another higher low, which we're expecting. Yeah, let's say that this low is yet to form, like this particular low is yet to form, and we are looking to take the buy. Like we are looking to get into the trade on the formation of the new low, like to buy the new low formation, you know. So we have seen that we got our first low and our second low. Once we get our first low and our second low, the market should give us another information as well, which is the market has changed its direction. Like market is now pushing to the upside, because I've seen two higher lows. So on the formation of this structure, on the market structure, we have seen the zones and the market direction, which is to the upside. We have also seen the market creating higher highs. Like we got a high at this point, we got a high at this zone. At this zone we got a high, and we got another high too at this point as well. You can see we got another high too, and we had another higher high, which gave us a sell-off, like to this our level, to come give us a new low formation. So we have seen the market is giving us a high, another high, and another higher high, and a low, another low, and we are looking to take the trade opportunity on the new higher low formation, which we got into at this point. So we have seen the structure on the daily, on the 4-hour time frame, so easy. Like you shouldn't be complicating. Trading should be very easy if you know the basic things, if you can be able to apply the necessary things and have the right approach to the market. Just have the right knowledge, you are good, and the right psychology in place. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame to see what the market looks like. You can see that when the market got to this our zone, we had this build up, a kind of an accumulation in the market, which is a price action movement. Like you have seen the market give us this accumulation. So this should be telling us that there's a kind of a build up, like, because we have seen the market selling off, giving us this strong sell. We had the first sell, market accumulated and gave us another sell off. Then after this accumulation, we had another accumulation at this zone, which is producing this buy off, and we have seen our level that was identified, our support level. So our expectation should be, after this accumulation, we should be looking out for a buy to the upside, because we have seen the market is resting on a level, a zone. So we identified this our zone, we spotted this our level as a level we should look out for. So what we did was we waited for the market to break above this zone. So we entered on the confirmation of this breakout. We didn't just enter on the breakout of the accumulation. We waited for the market to give us a clear formation, like a clear movement out of this zone, to give us a confirmation that yes, this is a clear breakout of this, and we're expecting an upward move. And we have this level that was identified. You can see this level, an important level in the market, because you have seen the market reacting to this zone, doing the same thing here. So we should be expecting the market to give us a reaction to this zone. So our exit points will be at this level. That would be our exit level. So we entered on the confirmation of this our build up, like we got this accumulation, like we got the accumulation. So after the accumulation that we got, you can see that we had a level, a high. We waited for the market to break above this our high, our last high. So we identified this our last high in the market. You can see that we had this our last high identified. So after we got our last high identified, we waited for the market to give us a break out of this our last high. Like we had a high in the market, so we are waiting for the market to give us a break out of this our high to confirm that yes, there's a break of structure in the market. Then we're looking out for a further move to the upside. So we can see that we got a breakout, then a retest of this our zone, like a break of our high and a retest of it, like a break and retest of our high, invalidating this our high level. This level is no longer a level we should be scared of. So we waited for the market to break above it, give us a retest on it to confirm that yes, this level is broken. Then we took our trade opportunity. We got into trade at this point, and you have seen how the market moved afterwards. You have seen how nice the market has been moving. Just apply the basic things and you see everything going your way. You see the market going your way. So I hope I was able to give a deep explanation on how to use price action and market structure in looking out for trade opportunities. So if you enjoyed the video, please do it to smash the like button and subscribe if you're a new viewer. And to my returning viewers, I really appreciate you guys. Let's keep doing what we do, guys, and do have a wonderful day. Peace out.